Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Croissants breakfast sandwich. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and split a fresh croissant carefully. Layer cheese, cooked egg, and ham for balance. Brush top with butter and bake until golden and melty. Let rest briefly to avoid soggy bread and to set the filling. Slice gently and serve warm with a side or fruit for a complete breakfast experience. Gather ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and quick. Use 1 croissant, 2 large eggs, 1 slice of cheese, and 1 to 2 slices of ham or bacon. Have butter or oil ready for cooking and brushing, plus salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven and prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment. This prep saves time and ensures consistent results when you assemble and bake the sandwich. Assemble quickly while the egg is still warm so the cheese melts evenly into the layers. Place bottom croissant half on the baking sheet, add egg, ham, and cheese, then top and brush with butter. Bake at 375 degrees F for about 6 to 8 minutes until golden and the cheese is gooey. Watch closely to prevent burning and allow a short rest after baking for easier slicing and cleaner bites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.